CryptoSLO, cryptocurrency news and investing.
CryptoSLO here with some more crypto gains. So, hopefully you're following me, you're subscribed, hitting that comment, liking, and making lots of gains. Today's video, super quick. We're going to talk about CPU mining of Digibyte and how you can get a couple extra coins. Even if your graphics card is mining actively, you can get your CPU mining some Digibyte coins, and it's really easy. So the first step is, hopefully you watched my video series on Digibyte mining, and a prerequisite to this video is being part of the Digibyte mining field pool. So I'm going to assume that you've created an account at Digibyte mining field, you've created a worker, and the full worker name would be your username dot worker name and then your password. So first thing you can do is download CPUMiner. Well, let me tell you what, I downloaded so many versions of this, and tons of these are infected with viruses. So you really got to watch out. I ran it through Google, no virus. I ran it through Windows Defender, and I did not see a virus, and I have not had any issues. So to my knowledge, this is a clean version of CPUMiner. So I went ahead and threw a copy of that on Google Drive, and you can download that. And so we're going to start from there. So once again, I assume you downloaded the CPUMiner. What I like to do is go and create a folder in my program files, and I called it CPU mining. Okay, so I got that there. So I'm going to take that CPU miner, it's a zip file, and I want to go ahead and extract it. It's going to ask where I want to extract it. I'm going to go ahead and choose that location that I built on my computer for the miner, and I will select it, and I'm going to extract all. Continue. And do this for all items. Continue. Alright, so we've got the extracted version of the miner. Now, what you're going to notice is different chips have different capabilities and different scripts. We're assuming in this that you're using Skeen and you're on the Digibyte mining field. So that's what this is set up for. So, assuming you have a payment address and your account set up, all you have to do is edit one file. What I like to do is I like to take this file, and I actually named edit this run CPU miner, and I copy it to the desktop. The reason you have to do that is it won't let you edit it in the folder. So paste. So then I'm going to open up this file by right clicking, edit, and you're going to open it with Notepad. So what you're going to see is I chose the AVX2, which is this file, and you see my Digibyte mining field address and the Skeen algorithm stratum. Now here's the important part. Whatever name you use to log in to Digibyte mining field, you're going to put it in here. So we're going to say John Doe is my username, and I created a worker and I called it worker 1. Okay, and then the password I made, for simplicity, worker 1. Now you're going to hit File, Save As, back to the desktop, all files, and you're going to put a .bat on the end of this. Save it. Alright, so now our updated configuration file to run the miner is saved on our desktop. Go ahead and close it. Now you're going to take that file and you're going to copy it, and you're going to paste over that file in the CPU mining directory. And replace. Continue. Alright, that's it. Assuming you have your worker set up at the miner field, you're all set. Go ahead and run it. And actually, I like to create a shortcut onto my desktop. So I right click that run the bat file, and I hit send to desktop, and that is connecting to this folder. So that's it. Alright, So we are ready to mine those Digibyte coins. So we're going to go ahead and fire it up. It's connecting. I got a Ryzen, so I got 16 threads. And that's it. You're going to let this baby run, and you're going to get them coins. So that's it. That's all there is to CPU mining. The biggest part is not downloading one that has a stupid virus in it, which, like I said, I did my best to screen for viruses in this video. So I'm going to let this run, and I'm going to do a follow-up video on coin rates and stuff like that here in the near future. This is CryptoSLO. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.